dog found this baby bird, beautiful bird with a red beak. What kind of bird is this? It's baby. It's big though. It's not a little tiny bird. It's a big baby. It's beautiful. What the beak? Could this be a cardinal? It's got beautiful color. I feel sorry for her. The ants are getting into her. And the bugs, I don't know what to do with her. I don't know where's the mommy. It's in our backyard. Beautiful bird. Hello, baby. Where's your mommy? Huh? The ants are getting on you. You need to move. Got ants and bugs. Anybody know what kind of bird this is? She is pretty. Look. She still don't have hair on her head. My husband said don't touch her. Leave her alone, but I don't want the predators get her. I don't know what to do with her. And I don't know where the mommy is. So cute. Oh, cute baby bird. What should we do with you? I don't know where your mommy is. Hope she'll come and get you. She's so pretty. It's big. It's big bird. It's not a baby bird. I mean, it's not a tiny bird. This is baby, but it's already big. Sporting. Prettiest bird. And she is terrified. Our dog was trying to get her. Anybody know what kind of bird this is? Could this be a cardinal? So cute. Go, baby, go fly. Go fly. Oh, the ants, I think, is getting her. Go fly, baby. To move.